Hello everyone, I'm Ernest Yeap and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing a recipe on Tamarind Prawn, or also known as Asam Prawn, which only takes maximum 15 minutes to prepare. These are the ingredients that you will need. Start off by trimming the head, tails and the legs of the prawn using a pair of scissors. After trimming, give the prawns a quick rinse with water. The next step is to make the tamarind juice by mixing the tamarind paste with water and discard all the remaining seeds left over. In a large bowl, add in the prawns and mix well with the tamarind juice, dark soy sauce, salt, sugar and chicken stock. Mix the prawn thoroughly to ensure that every prawn is evenly coated with the tamarind mixture. Add some oil into a heated pan and place the mixture directly into the pan to let it fry. And remember to occasionally stir and flip the prawns using a pair of tongs to avoid it from getting burned. When the prawn changes colors to reddish orange, it indicates that the prawn is cooked. You can add a few dashes of dark soy sauce to intensify the color to make the dish more appetizing and appealing. Let it cook until the sauce thickens. Scoop out the tamarind prawns into a plate. This is best served as a side dish with rice and sambal belacan. This is a video footage of me eating. I hope you enjoy looking at me eating. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe if you haven't and tune in next week, same time here. Bye!